Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Thursday, April 10th. Clear blue skies this morning. Chilly conditions right now, even down into the 30s in some suburban locations along the I-95 corridor. But a full day of sunshine should boost afternoon temperatures to up near 70 degrees in many I-95 corridor locations between D.C. and Philadelphia, and well up into the 60s in the New York City metro region. Again, a full day of sunshine. Clouds will increase tonight, however, as a cool frontal system approaches the mid-Atlantic region. There certainly can be a few showers during the day on Friday, maybe even an isolated thunderstorm or two, and then a weak wave of low pressure will form along that front Friday night, enhancing the threat for showers on Friday night into the early part of Saturday. It looks like all of that moves out of the Mid-Atlantic region early Saturday, paving the way for a very nice weekend in D.C., Baltimore, Philadelphia, and New York City. The warmest weather of the spring so far should arrive for Sunday and Monday. Well, let's start off by looking at the latest U.S. surface map. Two main players, strong high pressure in the southeastern U.S., sliding to the east today on the backside, southwesterly flow of air, pushing milder air into the Ohio Valley, and by this afternoon the southwest winds will pick up here in the I-95 corridor. It'll boost afternoon temperatures to up near 70 degrees. Just upstream is a cool frontal system now crossing the Great Lakes region. That continues to move to the south and east, will spread clouds across our skies overnight tonight, maybe even a shower towards daybreak, and a few showers possible anytime tomorrow, but primarily focused on the afternoon hours. It certainly will not be a total washout, not at all a total rain event on Friday, but a few showers are possible, and then shower threat will continue on Friday night. That frontal system will tend to stall for a few hours here on Friday night in this region right here. Weak low pressure will develop along that front and kind of continue our threat for showers on Friday night. But again, it looks like all of that moves out of here during the morning hours on Saturday. Well, here's a current look at the U.S. radar from the Mesonet.org website. Really not much at all except for what's associated with that cool frontal system. Right here, some showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm or two in the western part of the Great Lakes and into the Central Plains. Cold frontal system crosses the Wisconsin and Michigan areas later on today and arrives in the Mid-Atlantic region by early tomorrow, then kind of stalls for a little while in this region here while weak low pressure develops along the front. So we have a threat for showers on Friday and Friday night, but all of that pulls on out of here during the morning hours on Saturday, paving the way for a very nice weekend here in the Mid-Atlantic region. Well, here's the current infrared satellite imagery loop from the SSEC Wisconsin website. Nothing but clear skies along the East Coast right now. Notice all this area right here should have plenty of sunshine all day long. The sun is quite strong this time of the year, and it'll boost temperatures to 70 degrees in most areas, despite the fact that we're starting off at very chilly levels in the 30s in many of the suburbs of the big cities. Clouds associated with that frontal system cutting across the western Great Lakes. Those clouds will be noticeably on the increase here in the Mid-Atlantic region overnight tonight, and again, there can be a shower towards daybreak and a few showers possible at just about any time tomorrow, but primarily focused on the afternoon hours. That shower threat continues Friday night in the Mid-Atlantic region. Well, let's take a look at some computer forecast maps for the upcoming weekend. We'll begin with Friday morning from last night's 0Z GFS model run. By tomorrow morning, the cold frontal system will be approaching the Mid-Atlantic region. A band of showers on the backside of that frontal system will be headed for the Mid-Atlantic region. Not a heavy rain event. There can be a shower towards daybreak and a few showers at just about any time during the day on Friday. Not at all a total washout. Can even be an isolated thunderstorm or two. Let's now jump ahead 12 hours to the Friday evening forecast map. Well, by Friday evening, that frontal system tends to slow down, perhaps even stall for a few hours right in the I-95 corridor. There will even be a weak wave of low pressure forming along that front, and it'll continue our shower threat Friday night as it rides along that frontal boundary zone. Again, all of this looks like it'll move on out of here during the morning hours on Saturday. In fact, let's jump ahead to the Saturday morning forecast map. And here it is by Saturday morning. The showers really from I-95 corridor to the south and east by this time, on its way out towards the north and east. Again, there may be some lingering clouds, perhaps even a shower or two early Saturday in the I-95 corridor between D.C. and New York City. But clearing skies will take place during the midday hours, and the afternoon on Saturday should be quite nice, and that nice weather continues into Sunday. Let's jump ahead 12 hours to Saturday evening. And here's the Saturday evening forecast map. Notice by this time kind of a broad southwesterly flow of air developing over the Ohio Valley. That will develop here in the Mid-Atlantic region on Sunday with southwest winds, and it looks like Sunday and Monday will turn out to be the warmest days so far this spring in the Mid-Atlantic region. A flirtation with the 80-degree mark is possible on Sunday and especially on Monday, especially south of the Mason-Dixon line in places like the D.C. metro region. Certainly the Philadelphia region will experience temperatures well up in the 70s on Sunday and Monday. All of that ahead of a strong cold frontal system that will bring some significant rainfall to the Mid-Atlantic region Monday night into early Tuesday, and that'll usher in colder air for later Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday of next week. Well, that's it for now. For the SIWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.